Students, we start haloalkane and haloarenes. Haloalkane. Haloalkane is also known as alkyl halide. Haloalkane is also known as alkyl halide or aliphatic halogen compound. Haloalkane is also known as alkyl halide or aliphatic halogen compound. Definition: how we define haloalkane? The compound which is obtained by replacement of one or more than one hydrogen atom of alkane by same number of halogen atom called haloalkane. वह यौगिक जो एल्केन के हाइड्रोजन परमाणु का प्रतिस्थापन एक या एक से अधिक हेलोजन द्वारा करने पर प्राप्त होते हैं उसे हम haloalkane कहते हैं. The general formula of haloalkane is Rx. इनका सामान्य सूत्र जो है Rx होता है. Now classification. Of haloalkane. Haloalkanes are classified into following categories. Very first, monohaloalkane. When one hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by one halogen atom, then the compound obtained known as monohaloalkane. Example: CH4 minus H plus X, H हटाएंगे, X लगाएंगे, this is called monohaloalkane. When one hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by one halogen atom, compound obtained known as monohaloalkane. Second, dihaloalkane. When two hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by two halogen atom, the compound obtained known as dihaloalkane. Example: CH4 minus 2H plus 2X, CH2X2. Or ethane plus 2 times X2 is equal to CH2X single bond CH2X plus 2 times HX. It is also known as dihaloalkane. Now we discuss trihaloalkane. When 3 hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by 3 halogen atom, then formation of trihaloalkane takes place. So at first we study monohaloalkane, then dihaloalkane, third trihaloalkane, fourth tetrahaloalkane. When 4 hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by 4 hydrogen atom, thus the compound obtained known as tetrahaloalkane. At first, we define haloalkane, the organic compound which is obtained by replacement of one or more than one hydrogen atom of alkane by same number of halogen atom, the compound obtained known as haloalkane. Halo stands for halogen and alkane for alkane. It is also known as alkyl halide or aliphatic halogen compound. General formula is Rx or CnH2n plus 1 plus X. Then classification. On the basis of replacement of hydrogen atom of alkane by halogen atom, it is classified into 4 categories. Monohaloalkane, when one hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by one halogen atom. Dihaloalkane, when 2 hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by 2 halogen atom. Trihaloalkane, when 3 hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by 3 halogen atom. Last one, tetrahaloalkane, when 4 hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by 4 halogen atom, the compound obtained known as tetrahaloalkane. Now, we classify monohaloalkane. Classification of monohaloalkane. On the basis of nature of carbon atoms from which halogen is attached, known as they are classified into following 3 categories. The basis of classification is nature of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. Monohaloalkanes are classified into 3 categories. Number 1, primary haloalkane, primary or 1 degree haloalkane. Number 2, secondary or 2 degree haloalkane. And C, tertiary or 3 degree haloalkane. On the basis of nature of carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached, it is classified into 3 categories known as primary haloalkane, secondary haloalkane and tertiary haloalkane. We discuss primary haloalkane. The organic compound in which halogen atom is attached with primary carbon known as primary haloalkane or 1 degree haloalkane. When halogen atom is attached with primary carbon atom, the compound obtained known as primary or 1 degree haloalkane. Primary carbon is that carbon atom which is linked with one carbon atom, one other carbon atom, and contains two hydrogen atom. Primary carbon is that carbon atom which is linked with another one carbon atom and have two hydrogen atom. Secondary or 2 degree haloalkane, when halogen atom is attached with secondary carbon, when halogen atom is attached with secondary carbon, the compound obtained known as 2 degree or secondary haloalkane. Secondary carbon atom is that carbon atom which is linked with two carbon atom and possess one hydrogen atom. Now we discuss tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary or 3 degree haloalkane, compounds in which halogen group is attached with tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon is that carbon which is linked with 3 other carbon atom and do not have any hydrogen atom. So on the basis of nature of carbon atom, monohaloalkanes are classified into 3 categories: monohaloalkane, primary haloalkane, secondary haloalkane, and tertiary haloalkane.